Welcome to Moms Every Day. We are an elder law group to talk to managing partner Lynn St. about the basics of estate planning.
Everyone should have estate planning documents, especially a will, durable powers of attorney for finances and health, and a healthcare directive. So you've probably heard of a will, and a will is that legal document that upon your death passes your assets to whomever you want to receive those assets. Lifetime documents are documents that sometimes people don't think about. These are documents that are in effect while you are alive. So that would be your durable powers of attorney, and that would be for finances and for healthcare matters. And then there's also a legal document that's called a healthcare directive. A lot of people have heard of it as a living will. So a trust is something that's much more difficult for people to understand than, for example, a will, because a trust is something that's kind of like a legal fiction. It is something that you can create during your lifetime. So that would be a revocable living trust. So to better explain what that is, think of, for example, a purse. Think of a purse as a trust. If you create this during your lifetime, you put all your assets into this trust, but you can also take them all back out. So the problem with a revocable living trust is that it's risky. If you can take your assets out, well, then those assets are also subject to somebody else taking them out. What happens, though, is if you are at risk for creditors, or perhaps there was a car accident that you caused, your creditors can reach into this trust and pull out all of the assets. So it gives you no protections at all. So one of the best ways that we have to protect assets is through a different kind of a trust, not a revocable living trust, but a trust that's created through your will. That's called an asset protection trust. And the good thing about an asset protection trust is that the state can't access it. It protects money for your spouse against long-term care costs, and that money is completely protected. Estate planning is important for everyone. It allows you to take control of your future.
For more information, go to fox28spokane.com and look for the Moms Every Day tab.